Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see 10 golden rules of good weaning. For more information, please click the links in the description. Put your little breast in a bottle or even a spoon, it prepares, and gently. Our advice for weaning to go well. 1. Go gradually. Allow at least 3 weeks for the child to slowly get used to the new taste of milk. We first replace the feeding in the middle of the day with a bottle of baby milk. 2 to 4 days later, you will replace another feed, then 2 days later, a third. 2. Start by preparing bottles with your milk. Why? So that your baby gets used to the pacifier and enjoys the benefits of breast milk for as long as possible. 3. Keep the feedings in the morning and in the evening instead. If you have to choose, keep breastfeeding her in the morning and in the evening. At these times, milk is indeed more abundant. 4. Do not insist. If your baby refuses to bottle feed, do not insist. And try again after a few days break. 5. Prefer bottle feeding on weekends. The weekend is easier. Dad can participate, and everyone is more relaxed. Also avoid that weaning coincides with a period of the fragility of your little one. 6. Change places during weaning. Sit somewhere other than where you usually breastfeed, but find a reassuring position, close to where you are breastfeeding. One of the difficulties of weaning, for your baby, is to no longer feel the warmth and the smell of your skin against his face. 7. Multiply hugs during weaning. To compensate for this frustration, whisper tender words in his ear, pet him, constantly look at him and catch his eye. 8. Choose physiological teat. This type of teat has the advantage of restoring as much as possible the shape of the maternal nipple. 9. Ask dad to give the bottle. When he's there, don't hesitate to ask him to replace you. In this case, do not stay nearby, take the opportunity to get some fresh air. 10. Baby weaning, give warm milk. Prefer to give your baby warm milk rather than cold, which will bring him closer to breast milk. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend.